Everyone join. Who is guest? Yeah, I think everyone joined. Hi, good morning to everyone. Hope you had a great weekend. Can you able to see me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we have discussed last week, last class.
Arrays.
Yeah, arrays. What is meant by an array? Why we need to use an array?
Collection of
Array.
index. Yeah, continue.
Yeah. Anyone? Yeah.
Array is an indexed element with a collection of homogeneous elements with a fixed size.
Yeah, it is an indexed fixed size and homogeneous element.
Homogeneous.
So just you need to remember these three words to define an array. It should be an index, it should be a fixed size, it should be homogeneous elements. What is meant by homogeneous?
Same data type.
Same type.
Yeah, it should be same data type. We can't use multiple data types while we are assigning an array. So it should be same data type. Okay. Did I mention any 5 rules while creating arrays, multiple two-dimensional array or construction while constructing an array? Did I mention any 5 rules?
No.
So array construction, right? Array construction. Or creation, array construction or creation. So how to create an array? Okay. So how we are going to create an array? Int array x is equal to new int. We need to give the size of an array. Right? This is the creation of an array. So we need to create an object. X is a reference value or an object. New is the keyword to create any object. Wherever we are creating an object, we should use a new keyword. Okay. This is the creation of an object. So we have 5 rules here. We need to know 5. We need to remember 5 rules. The first one is it is legal to have an array with size 0. I already told. I think it is. We can have a 0, right? We can have an array initialized with 0 like this. Int x is equal to new int 0. So we can have an array by initializing with the 0 value. Okay, that is the first rule. Second one, if you are taking any array size, that should not cross the size of an int. Size of an int. Okay, size of an int. What is the size of an int? 21, 47, 48, 36, 47, right? Some value is there. Int value. What is the int value? 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. So the range of an array should be this. This is the maximum array size that we can take it. Okay, because we are considering only integer types. So the value should not cross more than this 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. The size, maximum size of an array should be this much. We can't take more than this. Okay, that is the second rule. And allowed data types, already I told you. Allowed data types. What are the allowed data types in array? What are the allowed data types in an array? Int, char, byte, short. Only these 4 data types that we can use it for array. Only these 4 data types that we can use it in array. Okay. Long, there is no long. Sorry, there is no long. If I told you previously long, no, there is no long. Only int, char, byte, and short. These are the only 4 data types that we can use it in an array. Okay. And so if you are taking an array value as negative value, if you take an array value as negative, suppose if I take -3, what will happen? What will the compiler will do? What compiler will do? What will the compiler will be doing? Sorry. Second. What will be the compiler will be doing if an array? Can I pass the int value? My negative value? Is compiler throwing an error? Is gonna throw an error?
Yes, it will throw.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's invalid.
Okay. Anyone?
It is
Compiler, yeah. Compiler won't think about what number we are passing, whether it is an integer value or not. It will check only whether it is an integer value or not. Okay, it won't check whether it is a positive or negative, or it doesn't matter for whether we are passing an index to this array or not. That only it will check. So if you pass negative number, compiler won't throw an error, but the JVM will throw an error. Java virtual machine will throw runtime exception. Okay. JVM will throw runtime exception. Okay. So if you want, you can try in your systems. Everyone is opened system. Everyone
Yes,
logged in the system. You might be already having the program, right? Can you able to run that program by passing this? Just change to -3 instead of 3. So let me share my screen. So this is the program that I have. I'm gonna put -3. I'm gonna save. Okay. Let me open the command prompt. So cd, I should go on to the location documents. cd programs. Then compile java c test.java. So it doesn't throw any error. Can you see?
Yeah.
It doesn't throw an error. Okay. When I run java test, when I execute, will give runtime exception. See, exception in thread Java lang negative array size exception -3. Negative array size exception -3. Okay. At the runtime, we are going to get an exception, runtime exception. So that will be thrown by JVM. So compiler won't throw an error if you pass a negative value in the index. Okay. So what are the rules that we need to know? What are the rules that we need to remember? First rule, at the time of an array creation, we should mention the size of an array. I think you people are very silent today. At the time of an array creation, there should be a size. Okay, the first one. Second one, the array value should not. The array value can be. It is legal to have an array value as 0. It is legal to have an array value is 0. We can keep an array value is 0. That doesn't throw an error. Okay. The size of an array should be an int size, that is 21, 36, 47, 37, 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. This is the maximum size that we can use. Okay. Index should be not empty. Index should be there. When we create an array, there should be an index. There should not be. It is legal to have the 0. Int size should be this much, and if you pass the negative value as an index, then compiler won't throw an error, but JVM will throw an exception, runtime exception. Okay, what is the fifth rule? So allowed data types are int, short, byte, and char. Okay, these are the 5 rules that you need to remember to create an array. Creation of an array or construction of an array. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Very silent.
No, sir.
Sunita garu, Usha.
No.
Still sleepy. People are sleepy still.
It's gloomy.
Sorry, Sunita garu.
చాలా గ్లూమీగా ఉంది.
Okay, okay. So now, can we able to, so int x is equal to 10, int x is equal to 10. Can you able to follow this, right? This is declaration. What about this? Initialization. What about this? Int x is equal to 10. Creation. So these are the things. Okay. Now I can say int x is equal to 10. Now I'm trying to split this one into int x is equal, int x. I'm first declaration, then initialization, then so I can able to split like this, right? If this is a single line that I can able to create that creation can be splitted like this. Int x I'm declaring, then initializing, then creation. So these are the 3 types that we can do normally. Okay, array declare, create, and initialize. Okay, array declare, create, and initialize. These 3 at a time. We are gonna how we are gonna do in array the same way what we did here. Int x is equal to 10. This is the creation. So how we are going to do it uh, in array. So no need to have these many lines like declaration int x, okay, then size x is equal to new int 3, then x of 0 is equal to 10, x of 1 is equal to 20, x of 3 is equal to 30, because I have the index of 3. So this one, this I have taken this many steps to initialize a number to an array. So this one we can do it in a shortcut where, so all these things in a single line. So how we are going to declare it? So int array x is equal to 10, 20, 30. So this is the shortcut initialization of an array. So we can declare like this. In square bracket, whatever the values that we want to pass, those things can be initialized instead of doing like this. Instead of using these many steps, we directly initialize an array in shortcut way like this. Int array x is equal to 10, 20, 30. So that means this is the initialization that we have done in a single line. Shortcut representation of an array. Okay, all three in a single line. Okay, how we are going to declare an array? We can declare like this. So if I declare like this, you should assume that x of 0 is 10, x of 1 is 20, x of 3 is 30. Okay, have you got it? Instead of writing these many steps, I'm writing in a single step where I'm declaring, I'm creating, I'm initializing. All the three things are happening in a single line. That is shortcut representation of an array. Okay, in the programs, we'll be declaring like this. We are not gonna declare like this. Okay, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now we can do it in a single, we can do it whatever the shortcut representation has shown is for single array. Okay, single dimensional array. If you want to do it for two-dimensional array, how we are going to do it? Two-dimensional array. Int x is equal to, how you are going to do? Two-dimensional array. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So two-dimensional means two square brackets. Okay, two-dimensional means two square brackets. That you need to remember. Two-dimensional means it should be two square brackets. So now, if you want to represent, how you are going to allocate memory for this? How you are going to do? What is x of 0, x of 1? Can you tell me SOP of system print ln XOP of x of 0, 1, 2? What is the value of this one? Can you able to tell? What is the value of this one? Okay, before this one, I think last time multi-dimensional array, it was not properly told. Like you people didn't. I think you people didn't understand properly. So suppose I have an index of 2. This is x. Okay. Again I have index of 3. Index of 2. Okay. Can you tell me how you are gonna assign? How you are gonna assign? What is the index of this one? What is the what is the array size here? What is the size of an array here? 2.
2.
Yeah. Array size is 2. What is so x of? Sorry. X is equal to new int 2. Right? So can you tell me these are the values? Then what is the value of x of 0, x of 0 and 1? What is the value of x of 0, 1? What is the value of x of 0, 1?
20.
20. So this is x of 0, x of 1, x of 0, 1, 0 again, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. X of 0, 1. X of 0, 1, what is? We have the value of 20. X of 1, 1. X of 1 of 0. What is the x
40.
of
40.
40? So x of 0, x of 0 of 0. What is the value of x of 0 of 0?
10.
10.
10.
Okay, what is the value of x of 0 of 2?
30.
30. Are you able to understand how you are going to write? X of 1 of 1,
50.
50. So like this, we are going to represent an array. So this is two-dimensional array. So if you want to represent in a single form, how we are going to do? Int x is equal to, how we are going to do? Two arrays. If it is a two-dimensional array, it should be two flower brackets. And how you are going to mention the values? How we are going to mention the values? 10, 20, 30, comma, because it's a two-dimensional array. Then is the value 40, 50. Sorry.
50.
So two close brackets. Let me close. Two square brackets, 10, 20, 30, and 40, 50. So this is the representation of a two-dimensional array. If you want to represent two-dimensional array, we're going to represent like this. So if it is a two-dimensional array, there should be two square brackets, starting with two square brackets, ending with two square brackets. Okay. So let us go for three-dimensional array now. So I have an array with index 2. Is x is the reference. Okay, this is 0, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 2. Can you tell me now? This one, how you are going to tell? How you are going to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, what is the value of x of 0, 2, 2? What is the value of x of 0, 2, 2?
8.
X of 0, what is the value of 2, 3? What is the value of, so 2 of 2? What is the 2 of 2? 0, 1, 2, right?
Hmm.
Is that right? Is that right? Can you able to understand? What is the value of x of 1? X of 1 of 1 of 2. Can you able to understand this one? What is the value of? Sorry,
12. 12.
12. 2. Is there 2 here?
13.
So x of 0, x of 1, under that we have, under that we need to go for 1. This is 1, this is 1. Under that we need to go to 2. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 13. Is that right? Give me 1 second. It's confusing. This is array of x, 0, 1. Okay, for this one again, we have the index. We have the index of suppose 2. Okay, again for this, we have, can you able to see? Can you able to see board?
Yes, sir.
Until here we can able to see.
Okay, so I have like this. So for this, it will be 2. For this, it will be 3. So it should be divided like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, can you tell me now x of 0 of 2, x of 0, 2, 2. What is the value of that one? So this is 0, 1, this is 0, 1. Okay, x of 0, this is x of 0. What is the value of 2? This is 2. Oh, sorry, there is no 2. Under 0, there is no 2. So it will throw an exception here. Out of bound exception. Compiler will throw out of bound exception. Okay. So x of 1, 1 of 1, 2. X of 1 is this one. What is 1? This one, right? X of 1 of 1, this one. And 2, under this 2, 0, 1, 2, 9. Like this we need to calculate. X of 0, 0, 0. X of 0, 0, 0. Because under 0, this is the array that we have. This is again 2-dimensional. This whole will become 3-dimensional. This will become 2-dimensional. This will become 2-dimensional. So x of 0 of 0, 1. X of 0 of 0 of 0, 12. Because this is 0, 1, 2. 0, 1. 0, 1. So x of 0, 0, 0. All 3 zeros, 12. X of 0, 1, 1, 1, 13. X of 1, 1, 1, 13. X of 0, 1, x of 0, x of 1, x of 1. What is the value? What is the value? Can you tell me now these values for this?
So 0, 1, 1 would be 13, right?
Hey, can I go on mute? What is the value of all these? What are the values for these? Please. Can you tell me? X of 0 of 1 of 1. అర్థమవుతుందా అండి? Are you understanding? Confusion? X of 0. What is 1? This is 1.
11.
Next one, this is 1. Right? X of 0, X of 2, X of 1. 13, right? Can you tell me the next value? X of 0, X of 1, X of 2. 14. What is X of 1 of 1? X of 1, 1 of 1 is 4. Another one, 7. Oh, sorry, 8. X of 1, 1 of 1, 4. Again, 1 of 1 is 8. X of 1, 2, 1. X of 1, this one. What is X of 2? We don't have X of 2. We have only 0, 1. So it's throwing an exception. Out of bound exception. Array out of bound exception. So 1, X of 1, 1 of 1, 4. 1 of 2, 9. X of 2. Do we have 2 here? 0, 1. Only 0, 1, 1. So here also it is going to throw array bound out of exception. Have you understood? No?
Yes, but not able to tell fast. That's it.
Okay.
We
So-
understood. Yes.
Yeah. Usha join. Okay, leave it. So we need to divide like this: 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Write all the 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. Whatever it is, just write like this: 0, 1, 2 for all of them. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then X of 0, 0 of 0 is 1. 0 of 0 again 12. So all zeros, 0, 0, 0, because this is the 0th place for all of them, right? The same way, if X of 0 and 1, then 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. What is the value of 2 here, right? 2, 14. So 0, 1, 1 means it will go this way. 0 means it will come this way. 0, 1, 2. What is the value? 14. 0, 1, 1, 13. 0, 0, 0, 12. Okay. Same way. 1, 0, 0, 5. 1, 1, 1, 8. Right? 1, 0, 1. What is the value? 6. Okay. This box, this is the memory allocation for this one. memory allocation for this is this one. Okay, under 1 we have allocated 3 values. We have under 0 we have allocated 2 values. The same way here, under 1 we have allocated 3 values. Okay, under 2 we have allocated 2 values. Under 1 we have allocated 2 values. So under 0 we have allocated 3 values. Under 1 we have allocated 2 values. Under 0 we have allocated 2 values. Under 1 we have allocated 3 values. So this is the memory allocation. This is the memory allocation for this one. Okay, these two. This is the memory for each. Again we have allocated separate memory. Okay, so 0 0 0 12, 0 1 0 12, 0 sorry 0 1 0 10. Okay, 0 1 1 11. Okay, 0 1 1 0 sorry 0 0 1 13, 0 0 2 14. Okay, 1 0 0 5, 1 1 0 9 7, 1 0 1 6, 1 1 2 9. Okay, like this. So you need to come down in such a way. We need to represent a diagram memory allocation format to tell if suppose if someone has given you to sorry, if someone gives you in the short representation, then we need it's very difficult to give the answer. So we can suppose int they have given like this. How many for it's 3, right? 3-dimensional array, right? So we should have 3 of them. So 10 20 30 comma 10 20. Okay, then we need to have 2 arrays, right? 10 20 30 10 20 this. So like this we can represent. Okay, 3-dimensional array. Any doubt? So if they give like this, and if you ask you x of 0 of 0, x of 0 1 2, and can you able to tell? It's very difficult to tell if it is in this format. So this one we need to split into the memory format, memory allocation format. Okay. Can you tell me x of 0 of 1 1 2? What is the value of x of 0 1 2? Is there value? Value is there for x of 0 1 2? X of 0, what is the value of x of 0 of 0? Okay, what is the index for this one? Can you tell me what is the index? 2 or 3? What? 2, because this is 1 and this is 1, 2 indexes, right? Because in the third bracket we are representing 2. Here also in the third bracket we are representing 2. So like this, index is 2. So index is 2. X of 0. What is x of 0 of 0? 10. So what we are going to do? 10, 20, 30, and here 10, 20. Right? This is, we are going to divide like this. Okay. The same way we are going to divide this one. So, sorry. What is the value of this one? So again index 2 because it's a 3-dimensional, right? Here it's gonna come 10, 20, 30. 10, 20. This one again 2 index because again this is 2 index, right? This is again 2 index. This whole is 2 index. This whole is 2 index because this one is 1, this one is 1, right? And the second one is this one is again 2 index. Separately, if you take only this part, this is 2 index, this is 2 index. So that's why I'm taking 2 index. Okay, and the 2 index, first index is 10, 20, 30. Second index is 10, 20. The same way here, first index is 10, 20, 30. Third index, other index is 10, 20. Okay. Sorry if I make you any confusion. Understood? Maybe little bit confusion, but by practice you'll get it. Okay, don't worry about this all graphical memory representation or anything. So you should know the main concept is like you should know how to declare an array, and if it is a 2-dimensional array, how we are going to use it. If it is a maximum, we are going to use only 1-dimensional array in our programming. We don't use 2-dimensional. In rare cases, we are going to use in 2-dimensional. So if you know how to declare it, that's fine for me. So int, if it is a 3-dimensional array, then we should represent with 3. Okay, 3 square brackets ending with 3 square brackets. If it is 2-dimensional array, we are going to represent 2 square brackets, ending with 2 square brackets. If it is a single dimensional array, okay, so just like this, one square bracket. Okay, this is the representation, single shortcut representation of an array. Okay, so we rarely uses two-dimensional and 3-dimensional, but we'll be using mostly 1-dimensional array. Okay, in the programming. Okay, this is about array representation for 3-dimensional array, 2-dimensional array. Any doubts? I've understood at least 70%. Can you able to understand 70%? How to allocate?
Yeah.
I want from everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So this is about array declare, create, and initialize, where we are gonna declare, create, and initialize in a single line. Now we need to know about the next one is length and length. Okay, this is a method. Okay, this is a method. If you have a bracket, square bracket, close bracket, like this bracket, that we'll call it as a method. This is a variable. Length is a variable. So when we are gonna use length and when we are gonna use length method, okay, that we need to know. So to know the size of an array, we are gonna use length. To know the size of an array, we are gonna use length. Suppose int x is equal to let's say, yeah, I declare like this. To know the length of an array, x dot length, it will give the array size. Okay, x dot length. it will give the length of an array. So what is the length of an array here? 3, right?
3.
Yeah.
3.
So okay, if I represent int single array, right? Okay, x is equal int string a b a c a b c. So string, whatever the string value that you are assigning or declaring, it should be in double quotes. String should be in double quotes. Okay, string s capital, string s is equal to in double quotes Raja. Okay, if you are declaring a string, that should be in double quotes. Okay, remember that one. Now char c is equal to a I o u. So whatever the char characters that we are declaring, that should be in single quotes. Okay, that should be in single quotes. A E I O U. So this is vowels, right? So like this we can represent. So if I want the length of this, then we are going to use the method length method. So in an array, if I want any one of the arrays, any one of the value of an array, we are going to use it length method. Okay. So what is the length of, so mainly we are going to use it for string to get the string length. Okay. For array to get the size of an array, we are going to use it length. If we want to get the length of a string, then we are going to use length method. Okay, simple. But to get the size of an array, we are going to use length. To get the size of a string, we are going to use length method. Okay, that is the difference between length and length method. Got it?
Yes, got it.
Okay. So just remember when we are going to use length method, when we are going to use length. Length, if you want to use length, then we need to
Know the size
length
of array.
size of an array. So length method to know the size of
String.
string. So that you need to just remember that one. Okay. So you can try an example. So class test. Can you try in your system, please? Can you try in your system public static void main string args square bracket open bracket, okay, or string s is equal to I declared initialize create string s is equal to Raja system s capital system dot out dot println s dot length. Can you tell me the size? So close this one first. This one it's close. This one main curly bracket. So can you try? Can you tell me? Can you tell me whether it is working? Please I don't want to show all the programs by running myself. You need to get some practice. So class test public static void main, all are small letters. Public static void main, all are small letters. S is the capital string. String is a class. Okay. Args is an array. Okay. This args is an array. So that should be in small letters. String S is equal to Raja. System dot, you can keep your name. Okay. System dot out dot println S dot length method. I'm using method. Okay. First one. And I'm going to use system dot out dot println S dot length. Try these two programs separately. Okay. So which one is working, which one is not working? Which one is throwing compilation error? Okay. This is one program. So I'm gonna declare int x is equal to new int 6. Can you tell me the size of this one? This is the third program. Can you get the length of this program? Or can you get the size of an array? Print the size of an array. I want three programs. One to find the size of an array. One to find the size of the string. And this, for same string, if you used s dot length, what is the error? If you use same s dot length method, what is the error for an array? So x dot length method, okay, s dot length method. So I want the output for all of these four. Can you able to write? Are you guys writing? Are you guys trying to run? No response.
Is trying to run, but some error came.
What is the error?
Expected s dot long. It showed me the error.
S dot long.
Yeah.
Can you able to share your screen, Sunita garu?
To share.
Can you share your screen?
How to share screen, Raja garu? I don't know.
So you can see the option, share option, on the right hand side of your screen. There will be showing an up arrow.
Right hand side.
Yeah, right hand side you can see an up arrow. Let me present my screen. Maybe so share screen on the right hand side, next to the chat. You have call disconnect call, right? Red button, call end button. Next to that, if you go, there will be share screen. 1 second, let me share my screen and show you. So can you see here? This is the stop sharing, share screen.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
So there, if you share like this, you can get it whether to share whole window or whole screen. So select whole screen, then share it. Otherwise, you can ping an error in the chat. Yeah, it's loading. It's where are you now? You are in
Command prompt.
yeah. I can see. So system.out.println. You miss the semicolon after system.out.println semicolon here.
Okay.
So it will clearly tell you what error we are doing. So other people, are you guys trying? I think it will work, Sunita garu. You can stop sharing.
Okay.
So try all the programs, 4 programs. I'll be back. You need to tell me exactly what error is coming for each and every one, and what is the answer for the right thing. I think everyone is on mobile. That's why no one is responding, right? Except Sunita garu. Sangeeta, are you on mobile or on laptop?
Laptop, sir.
Are you able to do?
Doing successfully.
Nikunj, Ajay,
Yes, sir, I'm doing. I'm logging through both devices, mobile and laptop. Nikunj is not here sir, today.
sorry?
Yeah, Nikunj is not uh, available.
Oh,
He's
Nikunj
not
is not
present
here.
class.
Okay. Servil,
Yeah, Raja. Hello. Hello.
Servil, yeah. Can
Yeah,
you able
Raja.
to do it, Servil?
This is my only second class Raja Java. So I still don't have the system. We have to download Notepad C plus, right?
Yeah, Notepad plus plus.
Notepad plus plus. I'll do it and send you tomorrow. I have
Okay.
off
No
tomorrow, right?
problem. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, yes, Ram.
Ram, this is Ram.
Yeah, Ram.
మీన్స్ కొన్ని నేను పింగ్ చేశాను వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో. నేను మొబైల్ నుంచి లాగిన్ అయ్యాను, బట్ సిస్టంలో రన్ చేశాను, సారీ కంపైల్ చేశాను.
Okay.
But some errors are expected errors are happen. It thrown some errors. What I sent you.
S dot length. ఏమి యూజ్ చేసినావు నువ్వు? ఏం బ్రాకెట్స్ యూజ్ చేసినావు?
Outline.
We should use these brackets, not this.
But we have to.
System dot out dot println. I think you have used these brackets. This bracket. 0 9 bracket.
Yeah, I use the same brackets.
Yes, S should be capital. I told you S should be capital. System. S should be capital. S system S capital out dot println small letters.
That means అంటే స్ట్రింగ్ ని ఎస్ లోనే క్యాపిటల్ లోనే ఉంచాను.
String కాదు. System dot out dot println system.
ఓకే.
Symbol variable S. Location class test. Symbol variable S. Clear చెప్తుంది. S dot length. డిక్లేర్ చేసిన ఎస్ ఏది? డిక్లేర్ చేసిన ఎస్ ఎట్లా? స్మాల్ లెటరా క్యాపిటల్ లెటరా?
స్మాల్.
ఓకే. స్ట్రింగ్ ఎస్ క్యాపిటల్. స్ట్రింగ్ ఎస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు యువర్ నేమ్ system dot out dot println. S capital in system dot out dot println.
Okay, that is println statement.
Can you compile and run now?
We compile it, then it is showing one error, that is class test. Symbol variable s and location class test. Compilation failed.
Can you ping me the program?
Sure. That file symbol.
Okay. What else? What about others? What about others?
Still doing Raja garu.
మీకు ఏమైనా ఎర్రర్స్ వస్తున్నాయండి?
అంటే నాకు ఇందాక వరకు మీరు రిమైనింగ్ చెప్పారు కదా, దానికి చేయడానికి బోర్డు కనిపించలేదు. ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేశాను మళ్ళీ.
ఓ సారీ.
వేరే ఎస్బి అని ఎవరిదో హైలైట్ చేస్తూ కనిపించింది అనమాట. ఇంకా అందుకే ఆగి ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను.
ఓకే. యా రామ్ ఎవరో షేర్ చేసినారా మీరు? Static.
And SP means it's RP.
See, use string x is equal to ram, and how you are going to print s dot length? Where you initialize this?
I change it to s. Is a variable is confirmed as s.
No, string x is equal to ram.
Yeah.
You have initialized in x. You have initialized value in x, and you are trying to print with yes. Where is the variable s?
No. We didn't. Yeah. That's why I changed it to s. Initialize to s.
Now can you run it?
Compile.
Yeah.
The answer is 3.
Okay. Okay. Can you do now again for s s dot length?
Without brackets.
Remove that brackets. It's not method. Use variable length instead of length method.
Oh, oh.
Because you are not writing the program, so small mistakes. That's why people are doing small mistakes. So if you start writing it now, then you know where to keep semicolon, what is the capital letter, where is the small letter. Okay, then only you'll come to know. So that's why I want you people to write the program. If you don't write the program, see small mistakes. Though I mentioned clearly, you people are doing the same mistakes. I
It
told
is
you
throwing
yes, capital. What error it's throwing? It has to throw an error, compulsory. I told you, right? Length variable should be used only for getting an array size. Length method you use to get the length of a string. So we are using the length variable so that it has to throw an error, compilation error.
cannot find symbol.
Yeah, variable,
Variable.
variable, right? Class test. So can you try the same thing for int array? Int array x is equal to new int 6. So you guys do it. I'll be back. Can you guys try at home? Can I leave it for today? If you get any error, can ping me. I can help you out. Because most of the people are joined in mobile, I guess, except Sunita, Ram, Sangeeta. Sangeeta, are you facing any error?
Yes, sister, I'm living very confused.
Okay. Okay, I'll give one program. Okay. Public static void main string args open square bracket. Okay. Initialize string s capital string s is equal to in double quotes your name semicolon. Okay. Now system s capital system dot out dot println okay s dot length. This close this square bracket, close this square bracket. Okay, this is one program. Okay. Next program, class, test, everything is same. Okay, public static void main, string args, open bracket, int, array. Able to see? X is equal to new int of 6.
So చాలా కింద రన్నబుల్
Okay, can you do this program? Do it for s.length and s.length method. S.length method. Length method is you need to use like this. Length, just length. Okay, s.length without bracket, with brackets. Those two programs. Can you run those two programs? What is the error that you are getting? Which one is executing? Which one is throwing an error? Hello. I was mistaken. You people are, I think you people are able to follow the programs that I'm writing. Public static void main, all small letters. String S capital, args, all small letters. Square brackets. Close, open curl bracket. String S capital, S is equal to, in double quotes, your name, semicolon, system S capital, system dot out dot println, out println or small letters. Okay, don't keep any semicolons, double quotes or single quotes, just normal in the brackets s dot length. S dot length method. That are the two test cases, that the two programs that I'm telling. One with dot length, one with dot length method. Method is having brackets. Length is normal length. It's not having, that is a variable. It don't have any brackets. Sunita Garu, can you able to compile?
చేస్తున్నాను రాజాగారు, కాకపోతే చిన్న చిన్న మిస్టేక్స్ చేసేస్తున్నాను, అది ఎర్రర్ కింద చూపిస్తుంది. ఈసారి
ఓకే, మీరు చేయగలుగుతున్నారా? అంటే ఏవి ఎర్రర్స్ అనేది కనిపెట్టగలుగుతున్నారా?
కనిపెడుతుంది. అంటే ఈ టైపింగ్ లో లెంగ్త్ అనేది లెంగ్త్ ప్రాపర్ గా టైప్ చేయాలి, అదొకటి చూపించింది. ఎస్ డాట్ తర్వాత డబల్ డాట్స్ పెట్టేస్తా, ఫాస్ట్ గా ఏదో చేసేద్దామని చేసేస్తున్నాను. అవి కనిపెడుతున్నాను కొంచెం.
ఓకే ఓకే అండి. Okay, if you people are not trying in the laptop, then you can drop off. So I'm not going to tell anything more. If you have any doubts, I can clarify. Okay. If you are not trying in the laptop, then you can drop off today's call. So we can have tomorrow.